Hello everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is part 4 for November 2024 Patreon. I will be looking at some D&D Warhammer proxies and figures prints for you guys' needs. And if you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord. And also, all the links we'll be looking at will be down in the description below as well. So we got Dragon's Lake miniature. This is also like old world slash Age of Sigmar style proxies, but you also use it for D&D as well. I think we're having the Shackle Slaves. I think they already got the November out already. So this is November video. We getting Dwarf Chaos. Looks like it. Yeah, dwarves chaos dwarves for your old world. For it as well. I know that it is. These are kind of one of the things that's kind of hard to find, many ways as well. Asgard Rising. These are like the Viking style D&D figures. If you do enjoy it, that's the Patreon. And that's this what you call it Kickstarter. So they're doing the Underdark right now, the Drow and the Spiders. If you do enjoy that, I'll put a link down for you guys as well. STL miniature terrain pieces you may need for Dungeons and Dragons. You can use it for Warhammer and other stuff. Just gotta be careful with what you put on the table. So we got floating islands with a spelljammer ship. Looks like we have a Fae in the background and demons as well. So we got Thiefling. I don't know what that's called. I forgot what that was called too. And we got a gnome that's trying to fly. We got a fairy. They call it Azimars. I think owl. I forgot the owl folks' name. It's like a raven, stuff like that. Ship. It's very detailed, and these buildings looks like the Link Tears of the Kingdom style buildings. I'll tell you the truth. But yeah, a lot of neat terrains, and looks really nice in many ways as well. I might print some of these out as well for my campaign. Portal. That looks like the Guardian in many ways. Okay, no. Oh, I kind of skipped it over. No, I have a double of it. There we go. Mullow Boar. Another D&D minis as well. Cavernous Popo. A big grotesque man. We're carrying around a horse. Some Nurgle and a fat jester. I don't know what November's going to be. Oh, we got Skavens for November. That's actually pretty cool. If you do enjoy that. Titan Troll. Uh, for this, I know they do have a lot of stuff. November. D&D Hero Barbarian. Pre-supported. Yeah, Barbarian Prince. So you have a Barbarian Goblin, Gnomes, halflings, and so forth in many different shapes. That's actually pretty cool. Fantastic Rock. He moved more into terrain pieces and stuff, and it's really cheap, $3.90, and you'll be getting these as your terrain pieces if you do want to get it. A Nom Nom figure. They do a pretty good job figure for $10. You get a lot of stuff. You get the past months, and this coming month, Magician Girl, Dark Magician Girl. You got Rama, An, Ada Wong, and stuff like that. So all this will be it. We can look at some of the stuff that they already have out. Take a look. So we got Rama. Been watching the new Netflix Rama anime remake for it. That'll be for January. And December surprise. We got Vivi and Hades and so forth for it. Okay. Daybreak miniature that are D&D style minis. For this, I think we're getting gorillas, chimpanzees, orangutan. So I'm guessing they're doing more of like Planet of the Apes. Gorilla. That's a mean looking gorilla with two battle axes. And that's supposed to be another chimpanzee or bamboo. Bamboo, I mean. Viking bust. fractured bust. I know they're gonna have a lot more for November. The full thing hasn't set up, so strong back of the Castle Primus release is live. So this will be everything they're gonna release with it. It's pretty cool looking. Going around. Oh shit! Freaking gorillas and monkeys that could fight back. I don't think he is back. SwanNet 3D. They make some pretty good terrains. Twin Raven. Let's see if it's still alive. Yes, November pack. So we have proxies for 40k. Looks like it. I think these are some of these. Looks like they're chaos, and some of these are like um, dark angels as well. Sarcophagus Mundus, another terrain piece. There's also a pretty good one for Warhammer. This is the October release for it, but I don't see November yet they're going to have, but they are using it. Ruben figure. We're going to have recent project, these two. We receive 3 months of previous rewards. So you pick one of those three. But she is working on these two for the figure as well. Dragon's Rest. I think they're doing Labyrinth in this one. So this will be really interesting. A whole bunch of dungeons as well. Because October we got the Coliseum and so forth, so I'm guessing that's part of that working on. Codex Universe. I don't know if they're still alive. Yeah, they're dead. Pugnus Miniatures. I think they're still alive. This is like Blood Bowl. So December. November. So we have the Harley Quinn Blood Bowl, if you're interested in that. VH Miniatures. They don't really post stuff as much as they used to anymore. But they do give minis out every month, so just letting you know. So I got all of this, the Halloween one, but you may want to check their Facebook or Twitter page to see what they're doing. So we got Titan Forge miniatures that are D&D slash Warhammer proxies. So we have orcs for your Warhammer proxy or for D&D, and you have the RPG corner for we got slots and adventurers as well, and kobolds and dragonborns, and the carnival. So we got some Nurgles. That's actually pretty cool. Yeah, that's actually a pretty cool thing to have. I do like Titans Adventures a lot. Avatars of War, another old world slash Age of Sigmar-esque proxies. November, we're gonna get some grotlings. A lot of grotlings in the base, looks like it. Returning. Oh, so he's trying to bring back a whole bunch of these things back together. That looks like it. But yeah, grotlings. That should be interesting to have. GS Sculpt, another figure. And we are getting the figure of a female fungus. That looks actually gorgeous and lovely. I like the paint job. This is a Death Sister. Drunken Dwarf. I think they're still not doing anything right now. Yeah. 3D Prince Forge. Looks like Murlocs from World of Warcraft. Yeah, a lot of Murlocs, different types, cooking, cook. A cookie, I think was the name was in one of the dungeon runs and stuff like that. Hell Creator, another figure. So this is all we're gonna get. So we have Davy Jones. We got forgot Car. I forgot his name. It's one of the gay guy from Baldur's Gate 3. And this is the release he's coming. Green Goblin. Forgot her name from Witcher, and forgot his name from Lord of the Rings. And you just get through all of it. Blue Sky Minis. They have nothing coming out for November yet. August. This is October. But yeah, but you should go check out. They do nothing but orcs. Dungeon Pulse Minis. So we got release. Anime. And that's how far I'm going to go with this. Go check them out because I don't want to get demonetized. Myth Bowl RN. This is another Blood Bowl. Looks like we have some kind of Wood Elves thing for Blood Bowl. Eons of Battle. I think they're doing the one of the Chaos engines for it. If you want it. And they also do painting YouTube as well, models for Warhammer 40k stuff so far. Well, now, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. Thank you guys very much. Have a great day. Bye.